If you want bigger, stronger, more defined biceps, this workout is exactly what you need. Today, I'm going to guide you step by step through a complete biceps workout that you can do at home or in the gym. No fancy equipment, no confusion, just pure muscle-building exercises that actually work. So grab your dumbbells, focus up, and let's start building serious arms. Before we train biceps, warming up is extremely important. This helps increase blood flow and protects your elbows from injury. Start with arm circles. Move your arms slowly and feel the muscles wake up. Now switch to light curls using very low weight or resistance bands. Remember, never skip your warm-up if you want long-term muscle growth. Exercise number 1 is the classic dumbbell biceps curl. Stand straight, keep your chest up, and lock your elbows close to your body. Curl the dumbbells up slowly. Squeeze your biceps hard at the top, then lower the weight under full control. Do not swing the weights. Let your biceps do all the work. Perform 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps. Next, we move to hammer curls. This exercise targets both your biceps and your forearms, making your arms look thicker. Hold the dumbbells with your palms facing each other. Lift slowly, control the movement, and feel the burn. Do 3 sets of 12 reps. Focus on form, not ego lifting. If you're training in the gym, barbell curls are a great mass builder. If you're at home, resistance bands work just as well. Keep constant tension on your biceps throughout the entire movement. Slow reps mean better muscle activation. Complete 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps. This next exercise is perfect for building the biceps peak. Sit down, place your elbow on your thigh, and curl the weight slowly. This is where mind-muscle connection matters the most. Squeeze your biceps at the top of every rep. Do 3 sets of 10 reps per arm. Now we finish strong with a burnout set. Pick a lighter weight and perform as many reps as you can. Your arms should be burning, and that's a good sign. This pushes maximum blood into the muscle and boosts growth. Great job! Now let's cool down and stretch. Stretching helps reduce soreness and speeds up recovery. Hold each bicep stretch for 20 seconds and breathe deeply. If you stay consistent with this workout, your biceps will grow. No shortcuts, no excuses, just discipline and hard work. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment biceps below if you're ready to level up your arms. See you in the next workout.